ana obewu a otimi hu se obewu so otimi kra echiche ne niema nyina ekase edawe say ne besi na wa kire ni wu achide emonye because obi was on perfect on pese but eto potopro a you are not there to decide, so the family will decide for you. But your elders no wabe twemu kono na omo ankasa toto omo niema ye enti obewu a ohu ye de aduaba bi na edi sa adwuma no na enye aduaba baako egumu ahodo bebre ene mekire omu baako. Yeah, once again mo akwaba e de heal yourself so we your son baako pe the old Small Boy OluMan in Ghana waba ha heal yourself GH intentam so bombode answer we new member be subscribe no wa share ma afoforo so anya so emfa so heal yourself you create YouTube channels the mu mpani no heal yourself GH the toss me no heal yourself Herbal and the toss me ensa no official Small Boy OluMan official Small Boy OluMan wait me subscribe na wa share na ye di hu nkomo da bia de be ato so akonanim. You can support and assist heal yourself with any little token you have through that MTN number 054 054 5452. Mesremo mamum fresa number no wa fresa number ni jai anhwa na olua broke because that number is not there for you to call. If you want to communicate with Olua 02000 4002. It works both WhatsApp and call. Nemum at times the call will be off due to certain reasons. Maybe you might not be aware of that. The master will say, let us follow and obey simple instructions to gain what we wish to gain in life. Tenye, yemu bebre na no sadia amebe kyewo no. Uyo bia uni akudura don't try. Tenye, enya ade bia abaye say ye udura na something serious bia something bibia na mom. It takes somebody who can face certain things in life and some what might be aye. Yemu dudu na no. We know say one day our end will come. But we fear to hear that in our ears. Either you fear or not, you will one day catch up that point. So, se ubewu se ungu, upo umpo, we tiasi nkwa de, uwo da homa. Se usuro se unsuro, that doesn't matter, that doesn't change anything. You might or will die one day. The same thing applies to me. Tenye, ahabaya amenu bedi hu nkomone, yedi kanye esya hu adye pen. And medito so obi hu. Obi asebi predesa. Yenyina ya tete no obu ana obewu a otimi hu se obewu so otimi kra echiche ne niema nyina ekase edawe say ne besi na wa kire ni wu achide emonye because obu also on perfect on pese but eto potopro a you are not there to decide, so the family will decide for you. But your elders no wabe twemu kono na omo ankasa toto omo niema ye enti obewu a ohu ye de aduaba bi na edi sa adwuma no na enye aduaba baako egumu ahodo bebre ene mekire omu baako na mum 7 days ubewu a ubehu uni akukuda won't do it because you can't do anything to change it. Enye say no increase your life but that thing no entimi enwo system mu abra ubewu no. So before answer na obekọ ukrechi no 7 days you must be aware ebebo wonka every day till the last day, but the minute the hour you won't know. Me chere the minute sima kro ube uwo mu no seconds kro ube uwo mu de unhu na mum that day you will know. Haba we na me no ye di hu nkomo na medikan a kire ade ehu da we na me kire se ye friend Kofi Niama o ye ne kasa mu no. It might be a jingle for it because it's an didi agro, it might not be the real name, but what we know and obi kan me kra me hu no ye Kofi Niama ye ti na ya press mfimfi no Kofi secretary ama secretary Kofi nkoda so na ye didi agro so that say nye Kofi Niama na ye no waso dem Sunday ni bia bi na mum Kofi secretary say ama secretary Kofi nkoda so dia won so na ye di edi agro we childhood agro na ye di so that say na the English name no butterfly pear, butterfly hot pear. It could be pear or whatever it is, a PEA. That is the pear, butterfly. That thing say you know that. That's what they say. And it's our butterfly pear way, and as a butterfly pear way, any edibesua sadie way no. Medical show, and so never call the spiritual side ube. Let me clarify this. Obi a seven person or high blood pressure. Ube to me idea me bet you. Obi a medicinal side medicinal side 2 pe e de mu ye wi a ansa na yakọ the other side how to know when you will die. And you will be an person who and you will be an debate me who based on a hodia you cram it say a crown hoarding. So Hana say a year or bufua per Tramunako will be anti winjina and a yammy data now they hear me. I think say you get it. 10 years. Obi a high blood pressure. And now say Obi a 7 pressure. What do you call it? Well, I forget the name. Cough rider. Obi a debe obo wa. 10 years. Obi a obo wa. And also be our high blood pressure. You be any obetiti na haban ni bi. Ene ni hini na ehase ni bi. So when the flowers nka ho, na haban ni bi na haban no te nkate haban. Wa oni mu nkate haban, nya nkate box no me kana haban leaves, green leaves no. Obetiti na haban ni bi na watutu ni root na wase ni bi, obenu asa ade no. Obi ase pressure, which is high blood pressure na America. We have two types of pressure. A low one was a bar normal. And a high one was a bar normal. So I'm talking about the end of high your person bar from normal. And you be in America. And will be a obo wa I want to make fun say a chair try and be enco. At the same time, will be our headache. Ubet me I sad way. At the same time, on one. Oba disposable cup no medium one no. 3 times what a day. 3 times what a day. No mum tienye enye mapping for. Any oba o ma bofra no for. Enye mamu. Ena abofra enya 12 years na obe no mu a. E was sawo maame ni man moderate betima continue abofra no. So abofra at the age of maybe from 3 years going, tablespoon is okay. Tablespoon is okay. I think I have got myself clear here. Tinye enye mapping for any obi a o ma abofra no for enye de be emma. Majority of this stage, especially painful no pressure na normal pressure a true nyinsane no and the aba. The headache can be true the nyinsane a lot. And na sad ye when I make sure no. So the etu mu da no de bia ubenya yefunyare. Nye yefunyare say ulcer, but ubehu say uyam timi ya wo ya enye ulcer. Ukoso no mu a abi you know the thing now. So enye consistent always. It is about to treat that problem. So when you 2 weeks you will pause and continue when needed. And after so your checkup and who say you are not free yet, then you continue. Then here, obi a person who eda obi wu no. Ade we e wo seed bi a eso. Then here, e wo seed bi a eso. Na seed no aye say beans, e ye tia ye bo, aye say beans. Then here, eno e na wo be tu sa na mo we no. Na edua bi a wo kwase a na se aso a ye wo bra obehu dry one e wo so. And the obra be who fresh one kwa. This time round, no be here ni seed in the awu ni bi. Dry seed ni bi and obetete. Obete ba akupe. Ye here so benya seed e wo me be do 7. So said the awuti and seed na no 7 bit at bi aka ho. Tenie. Ubebo mmodin abo ade no way you seed in kitinkiti seed ni kitinkiti na shem. Seed no akoya te say what do you call mofra board ye seed no. E na saa so na tie, ne pod no saa na tie. But enye mofra board here ade we nya dua eya homa e na say ya nete etimi bunkam wo fom etimi fro soro because eya homa tinie unya seed ni bia bayi maako 7 uyi maako 7 a obemmene sa maako 7 no na ummene 7 ni wi a na etie nie unkwa nyamede ma wo emfa bi nka ho e na enti so tinie nemom nobody can eliminate you. So it is serve as protection at the same time. Na mom obre also obedina asasusu eso say kim. 7 days a twato no. First seed obefe e de aba. Enye sa obefe obre befra fe ehunhunu. No, ebeba mu wahu. Sa woto say bia, sa metuwe na sema bia na se na. Sa me kasa da abede manum. Ana ayi atomanum amehu enya de ebeyi hidden way. No, ebeyi ama yi a kire me. So ba akunya ba say kim e kire say aka 6 ene wo mu aka 6 days on earth. The next day another one will come na kire say 2 aba aka 5 days on earth. Wo bibi afa to ye. There is nothing that can change it. Ene nya ade ne na ekun. Ade ne de say it is letting you know your time is due. So if you have any preparation to do you have to do it. Tiye. So ebeba sa to the last one. Last one never say Kim. Then your time is due. But sima kro ne bre kro be wo mu ne you won't know. But the day you'll be aware of it. So we obi a uni akukuduro na se impressa. Yene ga guy for e bia ye kasa too much na. That day no do afa na you are panting. No, it is not for coward people. It is for those who have surely built one more life purposely. Onim say also to nyema said they need watch the problem emma. So this one is not recommended for young boys. Unya we are, it will remind you the 7 days a church opombo ubehu. Nemom, this will not change it. Long prayers will not change it because enya bibi na ekun eya time na aso. There's nothing that you can do to change that time aso no. This is your one and only, the only small boy OluMan in Ghana. Ha! Hey, Heal Yourself GH. Subscribe and share. You can support Heal Yourself with any little token you have through that Momo number. Please don't call that Momo number. Don't call that number. If you want to communicate with Olu or want to give Olu messenger, it is through WhatsApp on 02000 4002. Even the MTN number and offer will be on fire. WhatsApp phone no cry so say so my WhatsApp will be on you. Nobody will see. So what I say. So the phone I use maybe be a semono any dem no didn't come also. My phone I am a camera for now. I have some small camera that don't use it, but phone I'm used to because and on I'm used to be editing everything. I don't use laptop to do my editing. Everything I me be through the phone. So I use that phone as my camera also. So a WhatsApp message 02000 4002. Don't call the MTN number. The MTN number, it is there for those who want to assist and donate to support Olu. It's not there for you to call and ask questions. Follow these instructions and it will be okay. More afraid MTN is too much consistency to disturb no. May block you because your call might be interrupting something you might not know. So if will be 1 2 3 4 no one say maybe the person is doing something. And actually that number is not there for you to call. So nobody will pick your call. So don't call on that number. But if you want to communicate with me, 02000 4002 WhatsApp. Shalom.